Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have a platform modern design bedroom set for you. A bed along with two side tables. A modern design because it has very less carving design, just a little taj part, the crown part here, and rest everything is plain. Cushion on the front, cushion on the back, cushion on the sides. The part that you see, the golden part, the entire golden part is teak wood. The inner frame is also teak wood, the inside frame, the structure part, and the middle part, the central area is plywood. It's a hydraulic storage bed, and when we look at modern designs where you have a clean look, you don't want very heavy carving, this is one good option. Along with two side tables, it is 24 inches, depth is 18 inches, height is 24 inches, and with two big drawers, wide drawers, and this is one thing that is quite useful as well. The side tables are kept along with the bed, so when you're sleeping at night, you want a few things very close to you, like your water bottle or the medicines or the phone you want to keep next to you. You can use these side tables. Your book you read at night, or anything that you require, like the medicines or something inside the drawers. Very useful item. You can get 1 unit or 2 unit as per your requirement. The bed back height is 5 feet. And it's a platform bed. Platform bed means when the all three sides, you can climb down. Generally, when you have the front part a little higher, you cannot climb down from this side. So it's a two-side bed. But when you have platform bed, you can use it from 3 sides. Once you have the mattress on it, it can be easily used to climb down from this side as well. If you want a bed bench along with this that we call ottoman, or you want a sofa or a divan along with this, I want to add a TV unit or a dressing, anything you want to add, what we do is we provide you what you want. So if you don't want 2 side tables, we'll make only 1 side table for you as per your choice. Choice involves everything: size, designs, color of the fabric, the hydraulic storage part. Hydraulic storage is the one that you can very easily open. You can use it, put the stuff in, get the stuff out. You need not hold it, and once you are done, simply close it. And with the weight of the mattress, it's very easy to use. And the side storage has got a benefit that it's open completely, so complete area can be used. When you have the front storage, generally it's a little difficult to use the back part because here it comes inclining and it leaves very less space here, but this way it's completely usable. Storage bed or without storage, again your choice. About the size part, size is basically the mattress size. Mattress is king size, queen size, super king size, California king size, eastern king size, super deluxe size. Every country has got their own mattress sizes. Size means the left and the right, left to right and front to back. This is the size. The width is again your choice: 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 18. That thick mattresses are also available. So depending on the thickness of the mattress, we make the height of the unit. So if the mattress is too thick, we'll make the sitting part a little lower, so it becomes quite usable. So everything is done already in hundreds and hundreds of units that we have made, and in more than 2,400 videos on YouTube. You can see the kind of stuff we are making: very heavy stuff, lighter stuff, full wood designs, wooden polish, dark polish, natural finish, and then colors. This is antique gold. You want plain gold, you want white, off-white, triple shade, dual shade, and champagne color, and so many colors are right now we are working on. Gold rush is one of the most liked color these days, and then gold leafing, silver leafing, antique gold leafing. Everything is getting done here in different designs, in different patterns, in different colors. The fabric choice is always there, and everything, every part is as per your choice. Even the AI designs, artificial intelligence. People are picking and making photos from artificial intelligence, from different softwares, and sending us those pictures, and we are converting those pictures to reality. We just made a very huge bed, very tall and very huge bed that was an AI design. And this is what we are doing for global clients, not just India. 55 countries we are delivering to. And everywhere we are sending the stuff at home, right to your door. So door delivery at factory price, the brand of Aarsun, the quality of Aarsun, and your choice. Your dream house furniture at best prices, and we will deliver to your home in India or outside India where you are. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss. Thank you. Dhanyavad.